I am going all in on YouTube, y'all. I'm going all in on content creation. I'm going all in on passive income. My entire goal for the year 2025 is creating massive passive income. I know I do a lot of inspirational videos, and that is because in the midst of everything that I have going on in my life, I'm inspiring myself alongside you, right? So with all of the things that I've had going on in my life, I've decided that I really need to get the ball rolling, doing the things that I want to do. Because as you know, if you watched any of my YouTube shorts, I've talked about being an empty nester. So your girl has no excuse not to be more serious about getting to this bag, about changing my life and helping you change yours, right? Listen, there are so many ways for you to create income. Like when I tell you, like, there is literally nothing that you cannot do. If you don't know how to do something, all you got to do is go to YouTube University, Google University. I promise you can find people that's teaching it. You can buy a course. There is no excuse for you to not have what you want as we head into 2025. Listen, just as I started this video, I've gotten like 3 phone calls, but listen, I'm keeping up with my 1 to 2 videos a week on YouTube. I'm going to start working to do more. I'm definitely in my content creation bag. I'm in my level up bag. I'm in my passive income, get to this money bag. And I invite you, I want to inspire you to really dig deep. Like, what is it that you want to do with your life? Like, what are some of your goals? What are some of your dreams? Because one thing I do know is people will work a job, right? They will get so consumed with that job. They get off from work, they come home, they relax, they wind down, watch TV, get something to eat. Next thing you know, you're falling asleep, taking a shower, getting ready to go to bed, getting ready to go to work. Like, that's the routine. Where do you have time to do anything outside of what I just explained? A lot of people, they really do not have the time. Like, they really struggle with finding the time. I have all the time in the world. Literally, I do. And I haven't prioritized content creation, passive income creation, get into this bag creation like I need to. So I know that a person working a job is way busier than me. They really are struggling because you got to commute back and forth to work. You got to work. You got to do all of the things that you got to do. And then you got to try to find time how you're going to get to this money, how you're going to get to this bag. So that's why I want to focus so much in 2025 on passive income. You should not have to start every single month at zero. And really, if you are working a job and you don't have passive income coming in, that means money that's already coming in before you start the month, then you are trading your time for money. That is what most people do when they work a job. If you go to work, you don't get paid until you put in the hours that you do for work. No more. It's time to add to that. It's time to start creating money that we do a little bit of work and we get paid a lot of money for it. It's time to add to your income. It's time to add some streams of income that's going to pay you passively. So on the first of every month, you already got $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $15, $20,000 that you notice coming in because you've done a little bit of work the months before, the weeks before, the days before. It's time to literally elevate. It's time to level up. It's time to go. It's time to get it. And so it is my goal to inspire you. I think the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to talk a little bit more about digital marketing, digital products, how you can create income with digital products. People don't understand how simple it is to make money with products and creating digital products. After you create a digital product, you have 2 ways to market it. You can either A, post on social media on all the various platforms that are free, or you can B, pay for advertising. Now, you're going to get pros and cons with both, right? But I'm going to tell you like this, if you are a very busy person and you have limited time, paid advertising is going to work the best because it's going to allow you to get in front of targeted people that are looking for what you have. If you have more time than money, then free advertising is going to work. But you're going to have to work twice, sometimes way harder. But guess what? The reward is going to be worth it. So I just wanted to hop on really quick, do this really quick video. It's time to level up. It's time to push yourself. It's time to keep going. It's time to step out of your comfort zone completely and do something different. I want you to create something that is something that is out of your norm that you have accomplished before the end of 2024. Like, make that a goal. Make creating something that you have worked to accomplish that's out of your comfort zone a goal before the end of 2024. Make that your goal. For the person that's watching this video right now, right? If you find yourself on social media a lot and you're not making money, please consider learning how to make money from online because you already own it anyway. You're doing it for free anyway. Why not get paid for it? In closing, I want you to know that you can create anything that your heart desires. All you got to do is believe in yourself. If you don't know the answers, seek out the answers. Seek out the community that's going to help you. Get a mentor that's a couple of steps ahead of where you are that you can learn from. Make a commitment that you're going to do whatever it is you're wanting to do. Stay focused, stay determined, get it done. That's it, y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.